Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new Microsoft account on your PC or laptop. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser. Go to Microsoft.com. Once the website loads, click the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the Microsoft sign-in page. If you already have a Microsoft account, you can simply sign in from here. However, if you want to create a new account, click Create One. Now enter the name you'd like to use for your new email address. You can choose whether you want it to end with @outlook.com or @hotmail.com. Once you've made your selection, click Next. Create a strong password for your account, then click Next. Enter your first name and last name, then click Next again. Now select your country or region. Enter your date of birth, then click Next. Microsoft will now ask you to complete a verification puzzle to confirm that you're not a robot. Wait about 30 seconds while Microsoft creates your new account. When the process is complete, you'll be signed in automatically and taken to your Outlook inbox. From there, you'll have access to your email and all of Microsoft's online services. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tutorials